Your next car could be the 2024 Hyundai Kona. Every drive is fun and fresh in this agile and versatile Kona. This subcompact crossover SUV prioritizes enjoyment thanks to easy touchscreen infotainment, tech-savvy amenities, a comfortable cabin, and spirited handling. What's more, its advanced safety features give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, satellite radio, cooled front seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors, dual zone AC. Practical versatility meets breakout fun in this high-spirited Kona. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.